Southern Hemisphere. The Moon's phase and libration at hourly intervals throughout 2022, as viewed from the Southern Hemisphere. Each frame represents 1 hour. In addition, this visualization shows the Moon's orbit position, sub-Earth and subsolar points, and distance from the Earth at a true scale. Craters near the terminator are labeled, as are Apollo landing sites, Maria, and other albedo features in sunlight. The Moon is a natural satellite that orbits the Earth. Just like in the Northern Hemisphere, people in the Southern Hemisphere can observe and appreciate the Moon's various phases and characteristics. The Moon goes through a cycle of phases as it moves around the Earth. These phases include the new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent. During each phase, the Moon's appearance changes due to the angle at which sunlight illuminates its surface. For instance, during a full moon, the entire face of the Moon visible from the Southern Hemisphere is brightly lit by the Sun, and it appears as a complete circle in the sky. As the Moon moves along its orbit, the angle between the Sun, Earth, and Moon changes, causing different parts of the Moon to be illuminated. This leads to the crescent, quarter, and gibbous phases. The Southern Hemisphere's perspective on the Moon is similar to that of the Northern Hemisphere, but there's a key difference: the orientation. When observing the Moon from the Southern Hemisphere, it might appear upside down or rotated compared to what people in the Northern Hemisphere see. For example, during a waxing crescent phase, the illuminated side might appear to be on the left side instead of the right side. The Moon's path across the sky also changes in the Southern Hemisphere. It rises in the eastern part of the sky and sets in the western part, just like it does in the Northern Hemisphere. However, the specific direction can vary depending on the observer's location and the time of year. In the Southern Hemisphere, just like anywhere else on Earth, the Moon serves as a natural timekeeper. Its rising and setting times change from day to day, and its position in the sky can help people determine the approximate time.